Are you wondering which is more effective for SEO content writing, Surfer SEO, or Rytr? In this video, we'll break down their strengths and weaknesses, so you can decide which one actually works better for your needs. But hold on, don't rush to conclusions just yet, because there's a competitor that might just surprise you. Let's start with Surfer SEO. Surfer SEO's main claim to fame is its ability to analyze top ranking pages and optimize your content based on real time data. It helps you match the structure, keyword density, and other key SEO factors that are important for ranking high. The good news? It's super intuitive and easy to use, even if you're not an SEO expert. But here's the catch, it can get a bit overwhelming when you dig into the advanced features. You might end up getting lost in all the recommendations and metrics it offers, which could be a turnoff if you're looking for something more streamlined. Next thing, our Rytr. Our Rytr focuses more on the writing side of things. It's a content generator that helps you quickly create SEO-friendly articles, blog posts, and even marketing copy. If you need to pump out content fast, our Rytr's AI will help you do it efficiently. The user interface is simple, and you can quickly get started without much of a learning curve. However, here's the problem. It doesn't go as deep into SEO analysis as Surfer SEO. It can produce content that's grammatically sound and relevant, but when it comes to ensuring your content is SEO optimized in the same way Surfer does, our Rytr falls a bit short. You'll need to do additional work on your own, or use another tool to double-check your keyword usage. The third thing to consider is the pricing. Surfer SEO is more expensive, and depending on which plan you go for, it can get pricey fast. On the other hand, our Rytr is much more affordable, making it a solid choice for those on a budget. But remember, when you're paying less, you're often getting fewer features. So if you're serious about SEO and want to optimize your content to the highest degree, Surfer might be worth the investment. But if you're just looking to create content quickly without all the heavy SEO features, our Rytr could be your go-to option. Next up, let's talk about customization. Surfer SEO offers more customization options for your content's SEO, allowing you to tailor it specifically to your target audience and keywords. The tool allows you to optimize based on the search intent, not just keywords, which is great if you want to create more strategic content. But that comes with a learning curve, so it may not be the easiest for beginners. Our Rytr, on the other hand, is a lot more focused on the writing side of things. If you're in need of some quick inspiration or want to create articles in a hurry, our Rytr does the job without overwhelming you. But it doesn't offer that depth of SEO customization that you might need to truly outrank competitors. Finally, let's talk about results. Surfer SEO is definitely a better fit for those who are looking to combine writing with deep SEO optimization. If you need a tool that can adjust content strategy to match high-ranking competitors, Surfer SEO is the way to go. However, if you just want fast content that's passable in terms of SEO, our Rytr might be enough for your needs. So, here's the deal. While both Surfer SEO and our Rytr have their advantages, there's another option I'd recommend. After testing all of them, I can confidently say that there's a better tool that combines ease of use with powerful SEO optimization. It offers everything you need without the headache, and the best part is, if you want to try it out, you can get a special deal by clicking the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that you can't get anywhere else. Don't miss out on this.